Hi viewers, we are going to show you the wonderful video on comparison the world's smallest things and biggest things. In this video, you will enjoy yourself very much. See two types of flowers, the smallest flowers of the world, Wolfia globosa, and the biggest and largest flower of the world, Rafflesia arnoldii. It can grow to be 3 feet across and weight up to 15 pounds. Now meet with the two types of animals. Tardigrade is the smallest animal, 1 millimeter means 0.04 inches, and South African elephant, the largest animal, almost 10 feet high, weighing up to the 6 tons. Oh, see the fish. Pittacypris progenetica, smallest fish of the world, having size of 7.9 millimeters, whereas blue whale, the biggest and largest animal of all time, having weight of about 198 US tons and length of 98 feet. See the comparison, but the world's smallest fruit globosa is 0.30 millimeter long, looks like an ant, and it is produced on the smallest flowering plant on the earth. Whereas jackfruit, it weighed 94.18 pounds, having 52 inches circumference, plus it was 22.5 inches long. Meet with the longest and shortest man of the world. The shortest living man is Henry Bellowing. Now in 2021, he is 28 years old, having height of 1 feet 11.58 inches. Whereas in 2010, Sultan Kozan at the age of 29 is 8 feet 3 inches high. Hope you will like our comparison video. Like it, share it, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.